Hello everyone, my name is Warner Chaves and welcome to Managing an Enterprise Snowflake Data Platform. I'm a Microsoft Data Platform MVP and Principal Consultant at Pythian. In this course, we are going to advance your Snowflake journey by getting you familiar with the main features and configurations necessary for an enterprise implementation of this very popular cloud data platform. Some of the major topics that we will cover include identity management integration with single sign-on, account security with network policies, private links, and tri-secret secure, disaster recovery with cross-cloud, cross-region database replication, and the capability of creating a private data exchange for governed but at the same time self-service data sharing, and of course, advice, tips, and tricks so you can accelerate your Snowflake enterprise adoption. By the end of this course, you will be ready to configure and manage your enterprise's Snowflake data platform in an efficient, reliable, and secure way. I hope you'll join me on this journey to advance your Snowflake expertise with this Managing an Enterprise Snowflake Data Platform course here at Pluralsight.